Hello friends. Welcome to my channel, Wisdom for Healthy Living. Today, I'll uncover the 12 most harmful foods that can destroy your prostate glands. Your prostate health is essential to your overall well-being, and certain foods can increase your risk for prostate-related diseases, including cancer. But don't worry, we'll highlight the foods you need to avoid and offer alternatives that help keep your prostate healthy. If you're new to the channel, share this video, click the like icon, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for updates and more health tips. Before we dive in, let's quickly understand the prostate's role. The prostate is a small gland located below the bladder in men. It produces seminal fluid, which is crucial for sperm transportation. Keeping this gland healthy is essential for both sexual and urinary health. Number 1. Avoid processed meats. First on the list are processed meats. These include bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. While tasty, these foods contain harmful preservatives and are high in saturated fats. Studies have shown that eating too much of these meats may increase your risk of prostate cancer and can lead to inflammation of the prostate. Processed meats are drinking too much alcohol. Here are some common high-carb foods to limit or avoid: white bread, white rice, and pasta, pastries, cakes, and sugary cereals, sweetened beverages, and processed snacks. You can replace carbs with these healthier alternatives. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Eat fiber-rich vegetables to stabilize blood sugar levels. Include healthy fats and proteins in your meals to slow digestion and reduce insulin spikes. Switching from refined carbs to whole, unprocessed foods can reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and improve prostate health naturally. Choose complex carbohydrates for better energy and long-term wellness. Number 12. Avoid microwave popcorn and trans fats. They are dangerous to your prostate glands' health. Microwave popcorn may seem like a harmless snack, but did you know it contains hazardous chemicals and trans fats that could damage your prostate? Many packaged and fried foods contain trans fats, which are linked to inflammation, obesity, and an increased risk of prostate problems. Let's break down why you should avoid them. Now, let me tell you how microwave popcorn and trans fats harm the prostate. The lining of microwave popcorn bags contains perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, a toxic chemical linked to prostate cancer. Trans fats found in processed foods trigger chronic inflammation, which is a major cause of prostate issues. It raises bad cholesterol, LDL. High cholesterol levels from trans fats can negatively affect blood circulation to the prostate. Common sources of trans fats to avoid: microwave popcorn, fried fast foods, margarine, and processed baked goods. Here are some healthier alternatives. Make homemade popcorn using coconut or olive oil. Choose healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Read food labels and avoid products with partially hydrogenated oils. Eliminating microwave popcorn and trans fats from your diet can reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your prostate. Choose healthier, natural snacks to support long-term well-being. Which of these prostate-damaging foods surprised you the most? Drop a comment below at wisdom4healthyliving@gmail.com and you will have my response. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. There you have it. These are the 12 most harmful foods that can destroy your prostate glands. If you care about your prostate health, it's time to start making better food choices. Reducing or eliminating these foods from your diet can significantly lower your risk of prostate problems and improve your overall well-being. Key takeaways recap for you: avoid processed meats, fried foods, sugary drinks, and excessive dairy. Reduce alcohol, caffeine, salt, and artificial sweeteners. Choose healthy fats, plant-based proteins, and natural foods. Embracing these natural solutions can lead to improved well-being and a healthier lifestyle. Always consult a healthcare professional before adopting any new treatment regimen, especially for severe health conditions. If you found this video helpful, please click the like icon, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more natural health and wellness tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos. Your support helps us create more valuable content to keep you healthy. Please drop a comment below and let us know which of these foods surprised you the most. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching. God bless you.